Hi friends, I'm Dr. Kavitha, Ayurvedic and Panchagavya. I did my BMS, that is Ayurvedic medicine from Hyderabad Medical College. So I'm practicing past 20 years Ayurveda and Panchagavya. So now I want to explain why Panchagavya is important. Of course, Panchagavya is integral part of Ayurveda only. But past few decades, Panchagavya is coming up very much. Why? Why it is required? See, because of the toxin substances like the fertilizers, what they use to cultivate the vegetables or grains, whatever it is, so that we are consuming more. So our body is full of toxins. The previously, if we go some 4 or 5 decades before, it was less. Means pesticides usage in the crops cultivation was less. So whatever they were using, that is like a pure way they were consuming the diet. So that's how with the herbs we can even treat the complicated cases. But now, because of our lifestyle became like that, we are consuming more pesticide based food. So body is contaminated with a lot of the what is the doshas. So okay, so with herbs, when we mix the Panchagavya means the cow products, like all the A2 cow, whatever I am talking about, that is the desi cow, which have the hump on that. Because most of the patient, when I'm dealing, when I say that A2 cow, desi cow, they are not able to understand. So that's why I'm giving the indication. Cow means which have the hump on the back. That is called the desi cow, our Indian original breed. Okay, so that gavyas means there is the five gavyas. One is the like gobarras and gomutra, milk, ghee, curd or buttermilk. Okay. So to enhance a particular herb, like example, I want to tell like punarva. If I am making a punarva ark, so along with the punarva, we will add any of the gavya or five gavyas, four, three, depending on the requirement. So that's how the panchagavya. So that will affect, means that will give very good potency to the herb to treat a particular disease, especially now when we are having a lot of complicated issues and more serious cases coming up on different kind of health issues coming. So Panchagavya can deal that effectively. That's what I'm getting a very good result in all the complicated cases like cancer, liver, dialysis, ulcer, all the major things getting very good results. See, because generally to Ayurvedic doctor, few people, this is my experience, like few people will come with the simple diseases like cold and cough. Majority will come with the serious diseases. So when we have to deal, we have to shuddhi, we have to do the patient, means all the toxin substances, whatever accumulate in the body, we need to take out. So comparatively, the just herbs, if you mix with the panchagavya, the particular herb also will act very nicely. So the power will increase. So we can treat a patient more effectively.